Today our topic is spectroscopic techniques. You know what is spectroscopy? Spectroscopy is basically the study of absorption of absorption of energy by molecules. Okay, so hence we will discuss here four types of techniques used in spectroscopy: UV visible, IR, NMR, MS. What is MS? MS is mass spectroscopy. What is UV? UV is ultraviolet visible spectroscopy, infrared spectroscopy, nucleus magnetic resonance spectroscopy, MS mass spectroscopy. So here are the techniques and these are the wavelengths absorbed by these specific types of techniques here. The wavelength used in UV region is 200 to 400 nanometer. For visible regions, the wavelength required is 400 to 800 nanometers. Similarly, for IR, absorbance occur at the wavelength region of from 2.5 to 16 micrometer, or we can also write in per centimeter unit 4000 to 6 to 5 per centimeter. NMR, it is 60 to 600 megahertz, and for mass spectroscopy 70 electron volt energy is required in order to determine the information, molecular mass, etc. From these techniques we get the information. UV visible tell us about the extent of conjugation in a molecule. For example, we can say that if a molecule absorbs the energy of 400 nanometer or 800 nanometer or 200 nanometer, so the extent of conjugation we will get from using UV visible technique. What type of information is obtained in IR spectroscopy? IR spectroscopy tells us about the nature and presence of functional group. For example, C triple bond N, C double bond C, C double bond O. So the presence of function group is obtained in IR. NMR basically deals with magnetically active nuclei like hydrogen 1 and carbon 13. Carbon 13 is magnetically active nuclei and hydrogen 1 is magnetically active nuclei that is used in NMR. MS mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy give us information about molecular weight or molecular mass, molecular formula, molecular structure, and isotopic abundance. Four type of informations we can get by using mass spectroscopy. Hence, these all are the spectroscopic techniques which are used in spectroscopy in order to determine the nature of a molecule and additional informations that is related to molecules. Thanks.